Stumbled across a FAVDB file in your application data? This is a database storing favorites and bookmarks for an application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these favorites database files properly. If you frequently deal with unusual FAVDB file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. FAVDB files are database files storing favorites and bookmark collections for various applications. They contain organized records of user-saved items, including web pages, files, locations, or content references, along with metadata for organization and quick access supporting features that enable efficient retrieval of frequently used items. Favorites database FAVDB files typically use SQLite or similar embedded database formats, storing favorite records with fields for titles, URLs, paths, and organizational metadata. The format follows the originating application's specifications, integrating with the application's favorites management system for persistent user preference storage. DB Browser for SQLite team endorses DB Browser for SQLite as the main tool for handling FAVDB files. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows offers limited information, so the actual data must be opened in a database program. The solution starts with the application list. Right-click the FAVDB file and choose Open With. Use DB Browser for SQLite as your first choice. If it fails, select another program. A systematic check is the most reliable method. If the FAVDB file still will not open, there is no need to stress. The file is forcing our hand. We're going to challenge it by testing these common failure scenarios right now. First, opening with source application. Launch the application that created the FAVDB file to access favorites through the application's normal interface. The application reads the database automatically during startup loading favorites for use. Direct file manipulation is typically unnecessary as applications handle FAVDB files transparently. Next, inspecting with SQLite tools. If the FAVDB file uses SQLite format, open it with SQLite Browser DB Browser for SQLite or similar tools. The viewer displays database tables and records enabling examination of favorites data. This inspection helps recover or analyze favorites when the original application is unavailable for direct access. Finally, backing up favorites. Backup FAVDB files alongside other application data to preserve favorites collections. Copy files to backup locations on a regular schedule. Restore from backup if favorites are lost due to corruption, accidental deletion, or system issues protecting against loss of curated bookmark collections. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.